In this video, I'm showing you how to install the Mopar all-weather mats. Now, I'm showing two part numbers. I actually ordered the first part number ending in AC, but the second part number AD is the one that arrived. The reason for this, I found out, was that there was an issue with the drain plug design on the original AC ending serial number, and they fixed it for the AD. So luckily, even though I ordered the AC, they sent out AD. I ordered these from Amazon, as I pretty much order everything. So here are the floor mats. They're very thick, heavy-duty feeling mats. They've got some cool contour designs on it, red Jeep logo. On the back there's some grippy stuff, and there's like a drain plug that you can see and two parts to attach it. So take out the old carpet mats. You can see they're already getting filthy. Here now by the shore we get a lot of sand and stuff everywhere. We also get snow and all sorts, so all weather is perfect for here. Now there's actually a piece of carpet that needs to be removed. You can see I started pulling it up and it's attached on the sides. Just going to get a knife and cut that. Cut's pretty easy. It's only attached a little piece on each side. So once that's out, you can see the drain plug. That just pulls out. Hello, that's the bottom of the floor of the Jeep. Just cut the little warning tag off. The warning tag just says mats can be slippy and make sure it's connected to the floor. So there is some instructions. It just says line it up and basically bash it in. A little disc fell off, but I just put it back on and then it clips on. And then put the drain plug into the floor mat. So now if we need to, we can wash this out while it's in the car, and whatever's in there will fall through. I'm thinking sand is going to be what we're going to be pushing through there if we need to. Or just vacuum it out, whatever. Okay, the rear, basically the same as the front. There are no drain plugs in the rear though. It was easier to put it in under the front seat first and then lie it across the back. Now the back has two parts that kind of connect across the middle where the transmission drive line goes. And just put them in, whack them in place. Go ahead and do the other side. And then I'll show you what it looks like. It's kind of cool. There we go. Very easy job, and hopefully it'll protect the floors from the abuse to come. Cheerio.